Bible story of so many is that of baby Moses in a basket floating along the Nile River while his big sister watches carefully from the bulrushes. Bulrushes are papyrus plants, which the Egyptians used to make paper such as this. But according to Exodus 2:3, it was also used to make the basket Moses was placed in. I found this basket at a yard sale, and it is perfect for this because it is made of woven natural materials very similar in color to papyrus. It looks more realistic if you paint the sides black to represent the pitch and tar that would have been placed on the bottom of the basket to make it waterproof. Add a doll and some straw, and you will have your young students begging to float it down the Nile River you have created in your classroom. Blue gossamer, poster board, or fabric would definitely lend an air of authenticity to your lesson. This is Becky from Experience the Bible Creatively, reminding you that props are always better than paper.